we're going to talk a little bit about soil amendments and what you may or may not need to add in the hole when you're planting your trees. So here in our area, in the Kansas City area, we almost always add 3 different soil amendments to the hole when we plant. Your particular soil biology may be a little bit different, but our soil pH is always a little bit high, so we will add a little bit of sulfur. We'll add a tablespoon of sulfur to each hole. Our phosphorus is notoriously low around here, so we will add a tablespoon of phosphorus. Phosphorus is elemental for root development as well as flower bud development. And then lastly, we will add a tablespoon of mycorrhizal fungus. And mycorrhizal fungus is a naturally occurring fungus. Basically, it means root mushroom. It is a fungus that attaches itself to the roots of the tree, increasing the network of the roots. So those roots will be able to draw up nutrients, to draw up moisture from the surrounding soil that much easier. The other thing that is necessary besides our 3 soil amendments is yet another one, compost. And what compost does is it adds organic material to the soil. So when we take these soil samples, we get a readout and it'll tell us what the organic material is. It tells us our pH, and it'll also tell us other nutrients we are low on. So if our organic material is below a certain level, we definitely add compost. The more clay we have in a soil, the more compost we add. With soil like this, we're not going to add too much compost, but it's just enough to boost the levels of organic material.